you have all of your braces, the curves cut out, then you need to sand these edges to make them real smooth. We'll use a drum sander on the drill press. Now those are sanded nice and smooth, so you'll sand all of them. The next thing we'll do after we get these cut, and sanded smooth, then we'll round over the edges, and we'll do that with a router, with a round over bit. Now we'll do just the curved edges. We won't do the top edge. We'll leave it square. So now we'll finish routing the rest of them. Now when we get two legs, and we'll get a top and a bottom brace, and we'll do what we call a dry fit to see how they go together. If they go together fine, then we're ready to start sanding them, and then we'll glue each end together separately, and then after the glue dries on those two ends, then we will glue the two ends together with two side braces. Alright, there's one end. Now, we have a mortise here and a mortise here, and two more braces will go there, and it'll attach this end to the other end. So now we're going to sand these braces and these legs on the square parts. We've already. Alright, now we're going to sand these legs and those braces with this belt sander. Now we have our braces sanded and our legs sanded. We haven't sanded these roundovers yet. And I don't have any machine that'll do that. I'm going to have to sand those by hand. No matter how much expensive equipment you have, you always have to do a little handwork. And one last thing that we'll have to sand are these bevels that we put on there. One other little detail we have to do before we glue that end together. The bottom brace is hooked to the other bottom brace on the other side with a center brace, and it is hooked in there with a screw. So we have to drill holes here for two screws, and on the other one, and we'll start out, we'll drill a small hole first, then we'll counterbore it, and then we'll, after we screw it together, we'll put a plug in there so you won't see it. Now we've got two drill and counterbore holes. Now we've got to sand the pencil marks off, and then we're ready to glue this together.